How to attach or change bands on your Apple Watch. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and remove the current band. So turn your Apple Watch face down and locate the band releases button from top and bottom of the back. Now press and hold one button and then slide the band sideways to remove it, and you can repeat it for the other side too. Now, in order to attach a new band, take your new band and slide it into the slot until you feel or hear a click, and make sure that it's securely locked and it should not slide out. You can then go ahead and check the orientation. The text on the band should face when you are attaching it, and if it feels wrong or won't lock up, then you can simply try to flip it around. Also, make sure to use only bands that match your watch size depending on your of the band. So this was about how you can attach or change bands on your Apple Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.